Here we are with the another live revision. Uh, Namaste to all. Please share it with your friends and others. As previous video link has got some technical issue, we are doing in this. So what we are going to discuss in this live revision marathon. So that we are going to discuss first one. First tell me, is it clearly appearing here or not? Is it clearly appearing to you? Is my notes clearly appearing to you? FA-1 marathon revision. Please share with your friends and others. अच्छा, is it clearly appearing? Blur नहीं आ रहा ना? Okay. First thing, this is one day before revision. This is one day before revision we are doing. Okay. And in this video description, we have telegram link. In the telegram link, okay, in the telegram link you can easily get the notes which I sent to which I am using for this revision class. Hope it is clearly appearing to you. Question दिख रहा ना आप लोगों को? So in this live revision, okay, one day before revision we are doing, and along with me you to write along with me. Okay, what you need to do means you need to write along with me. Whatever problems we are doing, you to do along with me, so that your revision will be done of each and every chapter. Okay, one by one, chapter wise we will go. Okay, first thing is introduction, unit 1. Okay, unit 1 introduction we are going to do. Next we will do the next unit, like that each and every unit we will cover. Don't worry about it. And if anyone wants more than this, okay, FA-1 important questions list already uploaded. Okay, one I have already uploaded FA-1 important questions list. Most of the students will ask for important questions, that is why I am telling. And whatever we are solving in this revision video, that will be easy for you to revise the entire chapter of that. Okay, so entire FA-1 we are going to revise. Okay, non-stop revision रहेगा. Okay, आप 2 घंटे 3 घंटे हो सकता, तैयार रहना बस. Next your doubt will be, sir, if we want more things to understand each and every chapter, for understanding each and every chapter I made FA-1 live revision classes. FA-1 live revision classes playlist is there. In that you can get all units revision. लाइव रिवीजन करा है इससे पहले, वो आप देख सकते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग, FA-1 प्लेलिस्ट इज देयर. FA-1 प्लेलिस्ट एंटायर चैप्टर के लिए और डीप में जाके आप अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहे तो आप FA-1 प्लेलिस्ट देखिए. बस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वही. So in this there are two sections, part A and part B. Okay, while we are doing one by one, we will do that short questions which will asked from each and every unit. And first unit, as you all know, it is relating to introduction. In introduction unit, we are having long questions as well as short questions. So let us discuss first unit long questions, what will come from first unit. Okay, from first unit, what are the things will come in the exam? Explain accounting concepts and conventions, most repeated and important question. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of accounting. These two questions are theory questions from the exam point of view. Sometimes you may get a short question, what is journal, what is ledger, and trial balance. And short questions, theory questions, you can see here. Objectives of accounting. Hope it is clear now. Objectives of accounting, accounting rules, debit credit rules, branches of accounting, difference between bookkeeping and accounting, and one more thing you will be having, uh, difference between actually this will come under another chapter, debit note and credit note subsidiary books, next unit में आता है. Okay, this is one another theory question which will come in the exam. Contra entry, that is also second unit short question. Difference between cash discount and trade discount, this is also another theory question which you are going to get from unit, okay, 2. ओके, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस कवर हो गया. अभी प्रॉब्लम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के जो भी है वो भी करा देता हूँ. पहले तो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. आई शो इट, डोंट वरी. अभी तो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं ना. अभी आपको ये दिख रहा, कैन यू सी दिस वन? ओके, सो बाकी को दिख रहा मोहम्मद मुजफ्फर खान, बाकी को तो दिख रहा क्लियरली. जर्नलाइज द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शंस बोल के एक क्वेश्चन है. ओके, पेज नंबर 4 में अपने को. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Is it clear now? Hope it is clear now. Hope it is clear now. Right. So we will write the general entries, as well as for this we will do the ledger posting and trial balance. Sometimes they will ask you to prepare journal, ledger and trial balance for the same problem. So if we do journal, ledger and trial balance, entire this chapter will get finished, right? So let us do that one. Okay, so from this question we are going to do journalize the following transactions, and we need to prepare, you can write yourself also, prepare ledger and trial balance, ledger and trial balance from this. So first thing we need to do the journal entries. So I am here taking the notebook of mine. थोड़ा ब्लर होता है, फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. ओके, मैं हाथ लगाने के बाद क्लियर हो जाएगा. थोड़ा आप नोट्स एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में हटा रहे तो थोड़ा ब्लर होता है, फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. इफ़ इट आर फॉर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर देन यू टेल मी. Okay, so we are doing journal entries first. So journal entries. So you know the format of journal. So let us write the journal format first to do the journal. So here I am drawing the journal format. You to draw. दो अमाउंट कॉलम रहते हैं, एक डेबिट का क्रेडिट का एंड वन डेट कॉलम. Okay, as it is my notes I am writing here date column, but in exam you don't use this column, this side. Date particulars, date particulars, date particulars, one small column, LF column. Draw one LF column. Debit in rupees, credit in rupees. So first thing, started business with cash 3 lakhs. So when you start the business, on when it is given 2014 January 1st. So let us write one by one. So in the date column, first I will write here 2014 January. Again and again we need not to write. So January 1st. So when business started, general entry will be cash account debit to capital account. Suppose if they give any person name, suppose in the books of Ram, in the books of Kamala, in the books of Vijay, like that, you need to mention that name also. Kamala capital account, Ram capital account, Vijay capital account, like that. So it will be 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Being started business with cash. So first general entry you wrote. Next general entry they gave is paid into bank, means you are paying cash into bank. So general entry will be second one. POM important questions already sent. Okay, I have uploaded. Please check it in the Telegram channel. And in the playlist also POM separate BBA students, for BBA students separate playlist is there. Okay, you can see it from there. तो ये बीकॉम वालों के लिए क्लास है. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट 50,000 rupees and 50,000 rupees being paid into bank. This is what the question, right? So second general entry also we made. January 3rd bought goods for cash. So third bought goods for cash means purchases account. Bought means purchase, so it will be purchases account debit. Cash is going out, so cash account. General entry will be 5,000. And this is revision class, so directly I am explaining what will be the general entry, what we need to write directly. Being bought goods for cash, right? Being bought goods for cash, this is the general entry. Next general entry, drew cash from bank for office use. So you are withdrawing cash from bank, So general entry on 4th January, cash account debit to bank account. If they mention any bank name, you need to write that bank, suppose SBI bank, like that. Drew cash from bank for office use, rupees 6,000, 6,000 debit side, credit side. Being drew cash from bank for office use. So this is the another general entry. Received from Krishna. See here, received 5th January, what is given? Received from Krishna 20,800 and allowed him discount 200. So general entry will be, from whom we are receiving? From Krishna we are receiving how much? 5th January. Cash account, because cash is received, so cash account will be debited. Discount allowed is expenditure, so discount allowed account debit. How much cash received? 20,800 and discount allowed is 200. From whom we have received? From Krishna, to Krishna account. Credit the giver, Krishna account. So Krishna account total 20,800 plus 200, 21,000 credit side. Being cash received from Krishna and discount allowed to him. So this general entry also we finished. Next general entry number 8, received commission. Okay, next general entry is received commission. So for receive of commission, what will be the general entry? You are receiving in cash, so cash account will be debited. Commission of income received, commission, so commission account will be credited. So when it is received on 8th, it is given 8th, sorry, on 7th it is received commission. So January 7th, cash account. How you will receive means, in cash you are receiving, cash account debit to commission received account, commission received account. How much amount received is 1,000 rupees, so we are writing 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, that's it. Being received commission, whatever given in the question you write that itself. Next, January 8th, on January 8th what happened? Paid salaries, so we need to write salaries account debit to cash account, salaries account debit to cash account. How much salary is paid? 20,000, 20,000 debit side, credit side. Okay, being salaries paid. Next, goods returned to Raja. We are returning to Raja, so we have purchased them, now we are returning. So January 9th, to whom we are returning? Raja. Raja account, Raja account debit to purchase returns account. Purchases returns account. How much? 10,000. 10,000 being goods returned to Raja. Okay, the next one, goods returned by Rani. Goods returned by Rani. We are receiving goods. Okay, Rani is our customer. She is returning goods to us. So it is sales returns. Sales returns account. Sales returns account debit to Rani account. See for which one what entry you need to write. If you want to know, there is a live revision video relating to accounting introduction and subsidiary books, accounting process unit 1 and subsidiary books. One thoroughly made revision video, live revision video is there. In that I explained each and every general entry how to do. Okay, here we are doing marathon revision, means directly we will write the general entry which we need to do. So being goods returned by Rani. So general entry 8,000 to 8,000 debit side, credit side. Now we have made the general entries. Next step is what? Prepare ledger. So ledger we need to prepare. So before preparing ledger accounts, I'll write down the ledger accounts need to be prepared. कौन से ledger accounts prepare करना वो भी लिख लेंगे अपन. Okay, might be it takes time, but thoroughly entirely this unit whatever is there you will get easily understood. So what are the ledger accounts need to be prepared? We are going to write. First ledger account we need to prepare is one cash account. Okay, one account we need to prepare cash account. Next account capital account. Next third account bank account we need to write. We need to prepare. Cash again is there, no need of it. Purchases account fourth one. Okay, cash and bank already we said we need to prepare, so no need to prepare it again, no need to write it again. And Krishna account discount allowed account. Okay, it will get clear it will get clear, just check it once. Now is it clear now? Hello, is it clear now? Okay, so discount allowed account and Krishna account we need to prepare. वो थोड़ा हाथ ऐसा करे तो बुक मूव करे तो वो थोड़ा ब्लर होता है, फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. So one account we need to prepare here in this. One is discount account, that is account number 5. Krishna account number 6. Okay, next we need to prepare commission received 7th one, salaries 8th one, Raja 9th account, and purchase returns 10th account, sales returns 11th one, and Rani account 12th one. So totally how many accounts we need to prepare? We need to prepare 12 ledger accounts. I will show how to post them into the ledger. Okay, so put the heading ledger. Please, all of you do whoever are online. I'm saying it one day before we are doing the preparation. No, we are preparing lecture. From lecture, after that we will prepare trial balance. That is what accounting process is all about. First we will record the transaction, then we will classify, then we will summarize, then we will prepare the reports. So recording in journal, classification into the ledgers, then next summarization is trial balance, and reporting, that is your trading account and balance sheet. Okay, so here ledger. So ledger first account we are preparing cash account. I know all of you know how to prepare ledger account. Still I am explaining you so that it will be easy for you one day before. So cash account, one date column will be there, one amount column. You keep one JF, because generally we will write LF also, but here you write only JF just because in date 2014 I am writing, because that is the year. So once you write here, you need not write again. From journal we are preparing these lectures now, that is why you write here JF. Okay, amount in rupees, date, from lecture to from journal to recording information into the ledger. What it is called? Can anyone say in the comment what is the process of recording information from journal to ledger is called? Who are online, they can give me the answer. JF, amount in rupees. This is credit side. No, it is not classification. It is called posting. Okay, from not classification, it is posting. That is called posting. From journal, we will post the information into the ledger. So first see the first first see the first one. Cash account is debited to capital account. So which account we are preparing? We are preparing cash account. Okay, we are preparing which account? Cash account. So cash account, which side it is? Cash account is debited. So on the cash, in cash account we need to write debit side. So what is the 1st January transaction? So January 1st to capital account. This is how we need to post. See, Shruti Thakur, I have already made BRS and final accounts also relating to videos. You can find it from the playlist. Okay, BRS live revision classes also we have done, and I'm saying it now, this is live marathon from 1st unit to 5th unit. I'll make sure that you go through everything. Okay, we will do everything, don't worry. It may take time. Okay, don't worry. If at all for each unit it takes 1 hour also, no problem, we will complete that unit. That is what our idea is all about. So cash account, so capital to capital, amount is 3 lakhs, so we are writing 3 lakhs debit side. Next to see the next transaction, triple column cash book also we will do, Dolly, don't worry. Each and every topic we will do, don't worry about anything. Night पूरा बैठ के पढ़ेंगे, don't worry. Okay, bank account to cash. Here cash, we are preparing cash account. Yes, cash account we are doing. So cash account, here it is in credit side, so we need to write in cash account credit side. when it is second na, so January 2nd by మీరు కమెంట్లలో చార్ట్ చేసుకోవడం ఆపేసేయండి. ఫస్ట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ది సబ్జెక్ట్. బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్, how much amount we have deposited? 50,000. Write 50,000 in bank. Next, purchases. So third by purchases, how much amount purchases is 5,000, so write 5,000. Next, drew cash from bank. See here, cash account is debited, to bank, so to bank we will write on 4th, to bank. How much bank amount? Cash withdrawn from bank for office use 6,000, so write debit side 6,000. Right, debit side only I am writing. Next, cash account debit, discount account debit to Krishna. Please be careful with this general entry. Cash account debit, discount account debit to Krishna. In cash account you will write to Krishna, no problem with that. Fifth, to Krishna we are writing, right, to Krishna. But how much amount we need to take, that is the most important thing here. How much cash is there, that much only you take. To Krishna 21,000 is there, don't take 21,000. We need to take cash account value only 20,800. So right here 20,800 cash received from Krishna. Then paid to, one thing is missing, I think we missed one transaction. I'll write here. One more transaction is there, we missed that one. On 6th, paid to Kiran 21,700 and discount received is there. Okay, we'll write here, no problem. January 6th, Kiran account debit to cash account to discount account. This is discount received, so discount received. So total it is how much? Paid to Kiran 21,700 and discount 300, together it is 22,000 right here. So 6th January by Kiran, how much we paid to Kiran? 21,700. No, I want to show upper side of it. Now it is clear, hope now it is clear. Hope now it is clear. ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా? Please leave about comedian. Okay, Pota 786, leave him. Okay, he just want to distract you, don't worry about him. Okay, next transaction is relating to commission received. So general entry is what? Cash account debit to commission account. So 7th to commission received 1000 rupees. We will write 1000. Right. Then paid salaries. So credit side it will come paid salaries 8th January. Buy salaries paid 20,000 credit side, right. Next, goods returned and goods returned to Raju, goods returned to Rani. In this there is no cash involvement. Okay, there is no cash involvement. Raja account to purchase returns account. Okay, and next Rani account, okay, to sales account. Here cash is not there, so we need not take cash. Okay, so here cash transactions, whole cash transaction we have posted. Now we need to see which side is more. Salary account we have done. Mohammad Wasif, it is clear now. Just check your network. From our side it is clear. See the debit side total. Debit side 3 lakhs plus 6,000, 20,000, 1,000. Debit side is more than the credit side. 50,000, 5,000, 21,000, 20,000. So debit side is more. Can anyone tell me the debit total? 3 lakhs plus 6,000 plus 20,800 plus 1,000. Debit side total it is 3,27,800, and check the credit side total, or deduct the credit totals from the debit side. Minus 50,000, minus 5,000, minus 5,000, minus 21,700, minus 20,000. So buy balance carried down. January month na, so 31st January we will write last transaction. Buy balance carried down. Buy balance carried down 2,31,100. It is 2,31,100. Now I think it is clear. No problem with the working now. So 3,27,800 both sides. If you want to carry down for the next month, you can write February 1st to balance brought down. Same balance of previous month will be carried down, brought down. Okay, so one account we did. Similarly, next account is capital account. In capital account, this is date column, particulars, JF, amount, in rupees, date, particulars. Yes, all accounts we need to make in the lecture. Sometimes they will give like this problem in the exam. Okay, JF in rupees, credit side. Don't worry, we will do it faster now. Okay, in capital account, 1st January buy cash, you will write buy cash amount 3 lakhs. So no other transaction is there. So two balance carried down 3 lakhs. Once you understand, you can do it easily. So 31st January 31st 1st January, total 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs both sides. Next account is what? Next account we need to do is bank account. I think bank related two transactions are there, so let us do that account also. Bank account, amount, date, particulars, small jf. बॉयज कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. आप अपने दोस्त को हाय बाद में बोल सकते हैं. प्लीज राइट JF. In bank account, cash is deposited. So see when it is on 2nd. So January 2nd, to cash deposited into bank 50,000, and cash withdrawn from bank. Cash has been withdrawn from bank. So credit side again cash will come on 4th January. January 4th, by cash withdrawn 6,000 rupees or 4,000, 6,000. So on 31st January 31st, by balance carried down from 50,000. From 50,000, if you deduct 6,000, it will be 44,000. So credit side you write 50,000 total. Okay. Right. So bank account we have finished. Next account is what? Fourth one, purchases. Purchases account. Date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. This is debit, this is credit. In purchases, see in the purchase account. Purchases account, only one transaction is there relating to purchases. So we will write 2 January 3rd, to cash in purchase account. Hope it is appearing clearly now. To in purchases account we need to write to cash. Okay. Okay, purchase account to cash. How much amount it is? 5,000. At the end of the month, January 31st, by balance carry down 5,000. Both sides it is 5,000, 5,000. Purchase account we have done. Next account we need to do received cash from Krishna. So we will do Krishna account. It is already sent in the group Telegram channel. You can get it from there. Here there is no sales account. No? In this question there is no sales. Okay. So next account we need to do Krishna account and discount account. See the question and do according to that. Someone is asking sales account. There is no sales account. Krishna account. Please be careful with the Krishna account because discount also involved. Particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. This is debit side, this is credit side. In Krishna account, see the general entry and post them into the Krishna account. See the general entry what is given. Cash account debit, discount account debit to Krishna. Krishna is in credit side. So we need to write these two on the debit side or credit side of Krishna account. By cash 20,800, by discount allowed 200. So it is on January 6th. By cash 20,800, by discount allowed 200. Okay, January 6th, and on 31st January debit side, January 31st, to balance carried down 21,000 it will be. Totally 21,000 both sides. Discount allowed account. Date, particulars, JF, amount, date, see how to post means very simple ma. Which account we are doing? We are doing Krishna account. Krishna account, you see Krishna is in credit. 2 if it is, we need to write Krishna account credit side, but don't write Krishna, you need to write other things other than Krishna. So cash account debit, discount account debit. When you are writing cash account, you will write debit side. When you are writing Krishna account, we need to post in the Krishna account credit side by cash, by discount. Now in discount allowed account, if you see here, we are writing discount allowed debit side. To Krishna we need to write. Okay, opposite things we will write. Then heading, whatever heading is there na, that will not come here and here. Hope you understood now. January 6th, to Krishna, discount is 200. 31st January 31st, by balance, particulars, JF, amount, by balance carried down 200. Both sides it is 200. Okay, discount allowed we have done. Next is Kiran. we need to prepare Kiran account. So in Kiran account also we need to do similarly. See, you to do along with me, then it will be a revision for you all. Particulars, JF, amount in rupees, credit side, debit side. Now just see now here अब क्लियर हो जाएगा. Is it clear now? Paid to Kiran. So Kiran account January 6th. Just wait for 2 seconds, it will get clear. Is it clear now? Just check it once now. January 6th. Okay, debit side we need to write. In Kiran account we need to write to cash 21,700, to discount 300, and January 31st credit side we need to write 31st. By balance carried down to the total debit side, it is 22,000. Right, credit side also by balance carried down 22,000 and total also 22,000. Hope it is clear now. Now next account, discount received account. Date, particulars. Just a second. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? अब ठीक है क्या? अब क्लियर है शायद? By credit side we need to write January 6th. By Kiran 300. And debit side we need to write January 6th to balance carried down 300. Okay. Then we need to prepare commission account. Commission received account. See the general entry relating to that. Cash account debit to commission received. Commission received is on credit side. So we need to write in the credit side of commission received account. Okay. Date, particulars, JF, amount, ये तो पता है आप सबको. On 7th it is, so January 7th, by cash, write the amount commission received 1000 rupees. And on 31st January, at the end of the month, see the credit side it is 1000, so it is your buy balance, to balance. To balance carried down it is 1000 rupees. होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ. अभी क्लियरली दिख रहा ना आपको कंपेयर टू अर्लियर? सैलरीज पेड, सैलरी अकाउंट, डेट, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount, January 8th to cash. We paid salaries 20,000. So January 31, at the end of the month, total it is 20,000. Credit side also we need to take 20,000 total. By balance carried down 20,000 right there. Next we need to prepare Raja account and purchase return account. Next Rani account and sales return account. So next transaction relating to them. Is it okay now? Just give me a comment. Is it appearing clearly? Raja account, date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. See the general entry here. On 9th it is Raja account debit to purchase returns account. So in Raja account debit side we need to write January 9th to purchase returns. Purchase returns is rupees 10,000, right? 10,000. And on January 31st buy balance carry down, it will be 10,000, both sides 10,000. Next one, we need to prepare purchase returns account. Which account? Purchase returns account. Date, particulars, JF, amount, date, JF, amount. This is credit side, this is debit side. In Raja account purchase returns is debit side. So in purchase return account opposite side it will be January 9th by Raja account. You can see the general entry and you can post also. Purchase returns credit side we need to write. What we need to write? Raja account we need to write. So by Raja account 10,000 total 10,000. Here also 10,000. So on 31st January 31st to balance 10,000 it is. Next sales returns to Rani. So next account is sales returns account. Sales returns account to Rani account January 10th to Rani account 5,000. So on 31st January this is 10th 31st total it 5,000 debit side, credit side also we need to write 5,000 and that is nothing but your balancing figure, balance carried down 5,000. Next account Rani account date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount, debit side, credit side. Okay, let us finish this one right here. Now in Rani In sales returns you wrote 2. In Rani account you will write January 10th credit side by sales returns. How much? 5,000. January 31 to balance carried down 5,000 rupees, 5,000 and 5,000. మా అమ్మా కొన్ని నీళ్ళు ఇస్తావా? సో all accounts we have prepared. Now we need to do the trial balance. So I am explaining overall concepts relating to this unit. So here we will do the trial balance with the help of ledgers. So this is called accounting process. Particulars, debit in rupees, particulars, credit in rupees. So which will come on the debit side, which will come on the credit side, on those sides we need to write. So see the first account, cash account. Cash account balance is which side? By balance carried down. This balance will come debit side. If it is by balance you write on the debit side. Opposite side you write from ledger to trial balance. So here you need to write cash. Cash is a asset. Asset is debit value always. So 2,31,100 we are writing. Next capital account. Capital account balance is to balance carried down. జర ముచ్చట బయట పెట్టుకోమ్మా, లోపల ఉమ్మ. Okay, capital account to balance carried down is there. So on the credit side we will write capital 3 lakhs. Next account, bank account. In bank 44,000 is there by balance carried down, so it will be a debit value. Bank is a asset, always debit. So bank account 44,000. Next account, purchases account. Balance is 5,000, so right here purchases account 5,000. Krishna account. Krishna account balance carried down is debit side, so we need to take into credit side. Krishna 21,000. Similarly we are having discount allowed, balance carried down credit side, so we need to write debit side because debit balance is more, that is why it is debit. Discount allowed 200. Next account, Kiran account. Balance on credit side, so Kiran account total it is 22,000, right? 22,000. Then discount received, credit side discount received 300 as balance is 300 debit side. Next account, commission received to balance carried down is there, so we need to write commission received credit side. Commission received 1,000 rupees balance. Next you can see salaries account. In salaries account, balance is on credit side, by balance carried down. Salaries is the expenditure, will be debited. Debit side is more, balance is on credit side, we need to write on debit side. So salaries account, salaries paid 20,000. Next to Raja account, balance carried down is there 10,000, we need to take it on the debit side. Raja, while I am moving it may be blur for a second moment, later it will get clear, don't worry. Next to purchase returns account, you can see debit side it is purchase returns, so balance is on debit side, we need to write on credit side in trial balance. So purchase returns, purchases returns account 10,000. Next account is sales return account, balance is on credit side, we need to write it on debit side. So right here sales returns. Next Rani account, we need to do Rani, balance is credit balance to debit side, so we need to write it on credit side. Rani 5,000. Now total debit side and credit side it should get tally, both debit values and credit. 2,31,100 5,200 plus 22,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000, it is 3,37,300 debit side. Let us check the credit side. 3 lakhs capital plus 21,000 plus 300 plus 1,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000, 3,37,300. So whatever we did is correct, both sides it is same. So sometimes such a long question will come, be careful with this type of questions. Okay, let us see the next question relating to unit 1 long questions. Unit 1 long questions we are discussing, right? So let us see the next one, page number 3. Where is the page number 3? Record the following transactions in personal account of Raman. Sometimes a question will come relating to personal account. So while preparing personal account, how to solve the personal account problem, let us see. So let us discuss personal account once. We need to do personal account. Please remember 2 points relating to personal account. Okay, 2 points relating to personal account, please remember. If they say in the question due from, you need to take it as to balance brought down, to balance brought down. Due to, if it is due to, okay, then you need to write it as by balance brought down. If it is due from to balance brought down, if it is it okay now? Up clear है ना? If it is due from to balance brought down, due to by balance brought down. Okay, if they say receivable, if it is say payable, receivable is debit and payable is credit balance. Okay, and sales will come debit side, purchases will come credit side. Sales debit, purchases credit, cash received credit side, cash paid debit side. We will do this problem, you will understand. Record the following transactions in the personal account of Raman. So let us prepare Raman account. I am doing Raman account. This is personal account relating to Raman. Date, particulars, amount in rupees. Credit side also date, particulars, one small LF column we need to make. Generally we don't write anything in LF. Hope it is clear now. अब ब्लर नहीं हो रहा शायद, right? So see this one as well as credit side. 1998. Which month we are doing? September month. September. Here also September. First one, sold goods to Raman. Sales will come debit side. So 1st September, two sales. How much we sold? 5,420. I am writing 5,000. If you want only BRS and cash book, already my separate videos are there relating to them. You can watch them, you can do them by yourself. This is marathon revision where I am covering each and everything. Okay, hope you understand this. We are doing this marathon revision where we will cover each and everything. If you want to go to the BRS and if you want to do cash book, separate playlist is there. Live revision classes of mine are there. You can watch them, you can do with that. Okay, now let us do this one. After this, next chapter is that itself. So September 4th received cash from Raman. So if you have received cash, it will be recorded on credit side. So 4th by cash we will write. By cash 5,150. Okay. Next transaction, and discount allowed by him 270 is there. So on same date September 4th, by discount allowed 270. Next, Raman bought goods, means we are selling, he is buying. He has given differently. Raman bought goods from whom? From us. So when you are selling to Raman or he is purchasing from us, both are one and the same. Don't get confused with this one. So 15th, this is the tricky thing. September 15th, two sales. Raman bought goods from whom? From us. So we are selling him. So please be careful with this one. 6,000. Next, September 28 September received cash from Raman on account. So we have received on 28 September 28 by cash 2000. Month brought down on October. This is very important one. Please be careful with this. Balance from last month brought down means in September month there is a closing balance of 4000. So here we need to balance the September month first. So September month, see the debit side and credit side, which side it is more. Which side it is more, debit side or credit side? Debit side it is 11,420. Here it is around 7,000. So let us do 20 minus 5,150 minus 270 minus 2,000. This 4,000 is September 30 by balance carried down 4,000. So 11,420 both sides. Next month October, this balance will be brought down. That is what is given here. Balance from the last month brought down. So October 1st, two balance brought down is 4,000. Next 13th October, sold goods to Raman. 13th, two sales 10,000. 13th October. Then 20 October received cash from Raman and discount allowed. So 20 October 20. In 5th unit, what will ask, I have explained in the important questions list. You will get from 5th unit adjustment entries as well as problem relating to final accounts. Okay, Niranjan. October 20 buy cash 3,960 buy discount allowed. So buy discount 40. Next 31st October cash received in full settlements they are saying. Okay, for the balance 10,000 rupees we need to receive. On the debit side it is 14,000 for the month of October, and credit side if you add this to 4,000. From debit side 14,000, if you deduct 4,000, we are receiving cash received in full settlement. When they say full settlement, the balance amount will be treated as discount. Balance we need to treat it as discount. So October 31st buy cash 9,800, 14,000 total. From 14,000 if you deduct 4,000, 10,000, 10,000 minus 9,800, discount will be by discount allowed 200. Both sides it will get tallied. This is what here is the question about. Okay, so from first unit we will get these questions. Let us go to the second unit. And before going to the second unit, let me explain this short question relating to first unit. Prepare trial balance. Plant and machinery is a asset, will come debit side. Land and building is asset, comes debit side. Furniture and fixtures, debit side. Wages and salaries, debit side. Capital, credit side. Bank, credit side. Hope you can do the trial balance easily. Shall I do it here? So trial balance, if you are doing trial balance, यहीं पे कर देता हूँ मैं. ट्रायल बैलेंस, particulars debit, particulars credit. Plant and machinery 25,000, land and building 75,000, furniture and fixtures 1 lakh, wages and salaries 20,000, capital credit side 1,20,000, bank loan comes credit side 1 lakh. So totally debit side and credit side, if both sides get matching, then your answer is correct. If there is any difference, that will be treated as suspense. So don't get worried if your trial balance is not getting tallied. 25,000 plus 75,000 plus 1 lakh plus 20,000, 2,20,000 debit side, 1,20,000 and 1 lakh, 2,20,000 credit side also. So this is how short question you can do it easily. Okay. And subsidiary books related questions are there, and one more question relating to third unit. Unit 2, let us do the unit 2 now. We did unit 1. यूनिट 1 में जर्नल, लेक्चर, ट्रायल बैलेंस यही पूछते. आपका किस्मत अच्छा रहा तो ओके रॉन्ग ट्रायल बैलेंस देके करेक्ट करने के लिए बोलते हैं. ओके दे विल गिव यू रॉन्ग ट्रायल बैलेंस, दे विल आस्क यू टू डू दी correct trial balance. I made a separate video for that, you can watch that one and you can complete that one. So let us do the next question relating to unit 2. Explain the various subsidiary books. This is the most important theory question. Okay, and need for preparation of subsidiary books. Okay, that is what they will ask. Prepare 3-column cash book and petty cash book, analytical petty cash book. Most important questions these two are. Okay, one is triple column cash book, another one is petty cash book. So let us do the problems relating to triple column cash book. Someone is asking your friends, tell them to come and join this class. So here prepare 3-column cash book from the following particulars. Okay, see, while doing the 3-column book, please be careful which balance is given. Bank credit balance, okay, cash debit balance is given. So this is your by balance brought down. This will be your to balance brought down. Be careful with this one. Okay, next cash sales will come debit side, to sales you will write. Next purchase machinery and paid by check. Please remember, any payment made by check will come under amount will be in bank. Amount will be in bank, and buy machinery we need to write buy machinery. Cash deposited into bank, very very important thing. This is contra. Cash is deposited into bank. See arrow mark to bank. So what we need to write? Cash deposited into bank. Cash is going into the bank. So write in debit side. This is debit side now. 2 cash, and this is credit side. Where it is? Someone is asking some question. Sir, invested 6,000 and deposited 4,000 on the same day entry. Invested 60,000, 6,000. Both will come. Where you invested? Where you invested? Where you invested? Please tell me. We may consider it as investment in the investments. So credit side, I'll tell that one. Let us complete this one. I'll come back to you. SK Shoaib. I'll come back to you. First, let us complete this one. Sold goods to Vishnu on credit. See, credit transactions will not come in 3 column cash book. Leave this one. Received interest on investments. So it will come debit side. So 2 interest on investment in cash we will take. Where we need to take? In cash. Received check from Vishnu, full settlement of his account. Okay. Here some information is missing. Maybe it is of 75,000. So 500 will become. See here. It is not missing. We need to go back to Vishnu account. Vishnu, we have sold to Vishnu how much? 75,000. So instead of 75,000, how much he is paying us? 74,500. 500 rupees is discount. Okay. Coming back to your question, Mr. Shayab, right? Shayab, no? Shayab, this is for you. Whatever investment amount is there, that we need to take. So here in the investment is rupees 6,000. So write in the cash 6,000 by investment, and 4,000 you will write to cash in LF column C, and amount in bank column 4,000, and same date by bank 4,000 cash in investment 6,000, contra entry 4,000. Hope you understood it. So let us make the 3 column cash book relating to one of the important questions. Okay. Shall we go ahead? So here I am going to prepare triple column cash book. See, in the exam also you take both sides, debit side this is my debit side of 3 column. One is date column, particulars, LF, discount, and credit side scan. Don't worry, you can take one page as debit balance, debit side, and another side as credit side, and do easily. Date, particulars, one LF column, cash, bank, and discount. So let us do little faster. As you all know how to do the triple column. Bank balance credit they give, it is relating to 2017. So first I'll write here 2017 January 1st buy balance brought down. Okay, buy balance brought down. Credit side we are writing 5,000 in bank. In cash and discount there is no balance. See how to do triple column cash book. We have made a wonderful video. You can watch that one, where what will come one revision video I have taken. You can see it from there. Here we are doing directly problem. Okay. See, just a minute, Shayab. We are doing this problem now. In between, how could I explain the other thing? Just understand. Wait, give me 5 minutes. I'll finish this one, and we will go with that. What your whatever doubt is there. Okay. Relating to depreciation, if you have any doubt, I have my playlist relating to depreciation separate. Okay, in my YouTube channel. If you go to the there, you will understand how to solve that one. Okay, sale of asset, how to do that one I have clearly explained. Okay, let me complete this problem now. So cash balance debit side it is there. So to balance brought down 2017 January 1st to balance brought down 25,000. Don't worry Shayab, I'll answer your doubt. Don't get in other way. I know the subject clearly, but I want to complete this answer first. Cash sales. So 2nd January, January 2 sales, cash sales 1 lakh. So we are writing here 1 lakh. Next transaction, purchase machinery and paid by check. So credit side we need to take January 3rd buy machinery. Credit side in bank column 1 lakh. Sorry, 1000 rupees only, not 1 lakh. It is 1000. It is 1000. We'll write in bank. Cash deposited into bank. Very simple logic I have made. If it is cash deposited into bank, you will write C to B. Debit side you will write to cash, and on credit side, this is credit side now. This is debit side. You consider your left side. Your right side of hand is credit side. It will start with the to. It will start with the buy. C for cash, B for bank. These things you need to post. Okay. If it is cash withdrawn from bank, another type. Okay, B to C. This is what we need to do. This is debit side. B for bank, to bank you will write. This is C. Credit side we need to write buy cash. And if you write bank, you need to write amount in cash. If you write cash, you need to write amount in bank, because it is contra. Right? So let us post now this one. Deposited cash into bank 4th January. January 4 to cash contra amount deposited. Amount in by bank in LF column you will write C, एंड अमाउंट इन कैश, पैसे बैंक कैश में से जा रहे बैंक में आ रहे. क्रेडिट साइड इज पेमेंट, कैश विल बी डिडक्टेड एंड डेबिट साइड कैश आया तो इधर आएगा. ओके, hope you got the logic. Now let us do the next one. Sold goods to Vishnu on credit, this will not come. Received interest on investment, so debit side January 20 to interest amount cash 5000 and received check from Vishnu, full settlement of his account. We assume that Vishnu check is deposited into the bank on same day because there is no further transactions when Vishnu check is deposited etc. So January 25th to Vishnu 74,500 in bank and 500 rupees discount, full settlement they said. That is why, because we have sold him 75,000, so same amount we need to receive, we are receiving 500 less. So this is how we need to do triple column cash book. So for the questions which I am doing, I have made this available in my Telegram channel. You can get this file from Telegram channel and solve those things. That is enough for the exam. So see the debit side. Debit side it is 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 25,000 plus 5,000, 1 lakh 30,000. Credit side only 50,000. So debit side is more in cash account. Right, while doing the total we need to take debit side first. 1 lakh 30,000, credit side only 50,000 is there, so debit total we will write on the credit side also 1 lakh 30,000 and remaining is nothing but our last January 31st is the last date. Buy balance carried down is 1 lakh 30 minus 50, 80,000, right here 80,000 balancing figure. Next in bank debit side it is 50,000 and 74,000 and credit side it is 5,000 and 1,000, 6,000. So debit side is more than the credit side. 1,24,500 debit side, so right here 1,24,500. Don't worry, it has started with the buy balance brought down, but credit side is less than the debit side, so you are having credit balance only. Debit side is more than the credit side, so you will be having credit balance here. So from 50,000 plus 74,500 minus 6,000, if you deduct it is 1,18,500. It has started with the overdraft balance and become favorable balance. And discount column, debit side it is 200, credit side it is 500 debit side, credit side nothing is there, so don't write anything on the credit side. Now these balances will be transferred to the next month. So in the next month, February month, on February 1st what we will write? Two balance brought down, it is 80,000 and 1,18,000, sorry 80,000 cash, 1,18,500 bank. For your understanding purpose, I made one more question relating to this cash book. It is cash in hand, to balance brought down. It is to balance brought down. Bank overdraft, by balance brought down. Overdraft balance na by balance brought down. Paid salaries, by salaries amount in cash. Purchased goods for cash, so by purchases it will be by purchases amount in cash. Next, cash sales, so it will be to sales amount debit side. Issued check in favor of Krishna, discount received 300, so by Krishna you will write, and this discount you will write in discount column credit side, and 2600 in bank. Next one, page number 6, just a second, here it is. Received cash from Dhawan, received cash from Dhawan, so to Dhawan you will write discount in discount column and amount in cash column. Received check from Ali brothers in full settlement and with their debt of 2000. See, we need to receive 2000 from Ali brothers, but we received only 1900. 100 rupees is discount. 100 rupees is discount. Okay, just don't consider it is deposited on the same day now itself. Read the entire question. Till then you put a star mark. We will discuss this later on. Purchased furniture, so it is by furniture cash sent to bank. I'll explain. After doing this one we will do that one. After doing this one we will do that one also. Okay, I made a video also relating to it. You can watch that one. Otherwise I'll explain in this video also, don't worry. Depreciation key points you want, I'll discuss that one, no problem. Cash sent to bank, this is nothing but cash deposited into bank. C to B we need to take, so to cash by bank it will be, and it is a contra entry, contra. Next, check of Ali brothers dishonored, put a star mark for this one. Go back to this one. You consider check received from Ali brothers is deposited on the same date, so to Ali brothers you will write amount this 1900 in bank, and when Ali brothers check is dishonored you will write by Ali brothers credit side, and check amount is how much, 1900. We need to take this one, don't get confused. Bank charges credit side by bank charges. Rent paid by check by rent, this is also in bank, this one in bank, this 20 rupees also in bank. Hope you will do with this explanation. कौन सा कहाँ पे आता मैंने बता दिए, and you can do it by yourself, right? This is the entire question. Half of the question here it is, and from point number 6 here it is. Hope you will do this one by yourself, because people are saying sir it is getting late, so what I'll do, I'll explain one by one concepts, you can do it by yourself. prepare relevant subsidiary books from the following. सी धनाधन फटाफट पहले सब्सिडरी बुक्स के पॉइंट्स बोल देता हूँ. ओके, सेल्स बुक आर सेल्स रजिस्टर. सेल्स बुक आर सेल्स रजिस्टर record only credit sales of goods. Credit sales of goods only you record. Cash sales will not come. Sale of fixed assets will not come. Now it is clear मा, इससे पहले थोड़ा वैसा हुआ. Now it is clear, I think. Is it clear now? वो थोड़ा मैं ऐसा करे तो थोड़ा वैसा हो रहा था, अभी क्लियर हो. Because of network it is happening like this. Is it not clear now? Just check it once. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? ओके, सी हियर, फटाफट बात पे आ जाएंगे. सेल्स बुक रिकॉर्ड ओनली क्रेडिट सेल ऑफ गुड्स, डोंट राइट कैश सेल्स एंड सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड असेट. अब्बा, अगेन इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग. नाउ इट इज ओके ना? होप नाउ इट इज ओके. परचेज बुक only credit purchases, only credit purchases we need to record. Cash purchases will not be recorded. Purchase of fixed asset will not be recorded. These two are the points relating to sales book and purchase book. Okay, and sales return book SRB शॉर्टकट लिख रहा हूँ. only sales returns we will write. Purchase returns book only purchase returns we need to take these two. Any other thing will not come. Okay, so when they say prepare relevant subsidiary books, when they say relevant subsidiary books, we need to prepare these. And any credit purchase of fixed assets, okay, any credit purchase of fixed asset will come under journal proper. That is nothing but your journal entry. आप जनरल एंट्री लिखो, उसके लिए बस है. एंड कैश परचेजेस, कैश सेल्स विल कम अंडर cash purchases, cash sales, cash related items comes under cash book. Cash related items comes under cash book. Here 2015, here they are saying 2015. Hope it is clear now. January 2nd, goods sold to Ramana. So it will come under sales book. We need to write Ramana. Party name. Purchase the goods from Raghava will come under purchase book. You know how to prepare purchase books and sales book. I am not going in detail. Okay, those I have explained in one video, live revision video. You can watch that one. Okay, how to prepare subsidiary book, each and every book. Okay, here we are doing marathon revision, direct revision. So which one will come where, that we will write. Sold goods to Krishna. Sold goods to Krishna sales book में आता. Purchased goods from Manohar. Purchased goods for cash. Cash purchases will not come under subsidiary books. Okay. Purchased goods from Rekha. Okay. Purchased goods from Rekha will come in purchase book. This will come in cash book. If you prepare cash book, you can write. Ramana returned the goods. See, Ramana returned goods. Okay, you have sold to him. Now he is returning it. Sales return book SRB. Goods purchased from Rajesh. Trade discount. Trade discount is 2%. So on this 50,000, 2% will come around 100 rupees. We'll calculate that one, don't worry. 50,000 into 2%, 1000. So 1000 rupees will be deducted as trade discount, and we need to record in amount column after trade discount. We need to record after trade discount. See, Niranjan, I'll tell you one thing. I made one video relating to how to write general entries in accounting process. Live revision video is there. You see for each and every general entry what you need to write. ऐसा बीच में पूछे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाता ना. 49,000 we need to take. And for your answer I'll tell here. बहुत सारे लोग कुछ ना कुछ पूछ रहे. 15,000 for personal use. Goods have been withdrawn. See, it is comes under as drawings account debit to cash account. Drawings account debit to purchases account. Okay, goods withdrawn na. Goods withdrawn will come as what? Drawings to purchases. Okay, now one more person is there. Any other doubt? Okay, boss, it might be your first class, but you should understand when we are discussing this thing, you are asking some other thing. Okay, it would be good for you, but others may get confused, na? Goods sold to Madhav for cash. Cash sales will not come in subsidiary books. If you want to make a entry, you need to make it in cash book. Goods returned to Rekha. Okay, we have purchased goods from Rekha. Here we are returning purchase return book. It will come. Next, purchased goods from Godrej and Company. Okay, purchased goods from Godrej and Company. Okay, for your question, answer is when goods returned for personal use. Okay, when goods withdrawn for personal use, it will be drawings account debit to purchases account. Purchased furniture from Godrej and Company, this will come under journal proper. As a journal entry you need to write furniture account debit to Godrej account. Kishore returned goods. Okay, Kishore returned goods, so you have sold to him. Now he is returning sales return book. So from this you need to prepare the relevant subsidiary books. Hope you will prepare from that. Do I need to make the answer? जल्दी बोल दो, आप बनाओगे इसका आंसर या मैं यहाँ पे कराऊँ? जल्दी से बता दो. If I do, it will take 10 more minutes. We need to do 4 accounts, 4 books. One is sales book, another one sales return, purchase book and purchase return. जल्दी कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो. Shall we do it or will you do by yourself? Make it clear, जल्दी बोलो. Will you do it by yourself? Shall we move to the next topic? जल्दी बता दो बस. ओके, लेट मी डू इट. आप कुछ नहीं बोल रहे तो मैं ही करा देता हूँ. ओके, एक काम करेंगे, विल डू दी नेक्स्ट. डिप्रिसिएशन कराना है, डिप्रिसिएशन से रिलेटेड. ओके, शैल वी डू डिप्रिसिएशन? जल्दी बता दो. आई नीड आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. आर शैल वी डू दिस प्रॉब्लम सब्सिडरी बुक्स का? ओके, सेल्स बुक. First I am preparing sales book. Date, party name, invoice number, details, amount. In details column, if any trade discount etc is there, that we will use. So sales SB whatever are there we will write. Goods sold to Ramana on 2nd January. So 2015 we are doing January 2nd. So Ramana we have sold 28,000. Take it to the outer column directly. Next, goods sold to Kishore 8th January 8. Kishore 38,000. Right here 38,000. Is there any sales related transaction? No, there is no sales transaction, right? So make a total of this. 28,000 plus 38,000, 66,000. 28,000 plus 38,000, it is 66,000. Take the total, that's it. Next, purchase book. Okay, next one is purchase book, date, party name, inward invoice number. See, if you want to give invoice numbers, you can give it as 1 and 2, because we are selling, we know the invoice numbers. And details for trade discount, etc. And last column is amount column or value column. Next, 2015 January purchase transaction. First one is purchase goods from Raghav. 6th Raghav, we'll write here Raghava, it is 18,000, so directly write 18,000. Next, purchased goods from Rekha. 12th January 12th, Rekha, so Rekha, amount 75,000. If they give purchase bill number, then you give the numbering, inward invoice number. Next, purchases, no more purchases. So these two are purchase transactions. So right there, 75,000 plus 18,000, 93,000 purchases. Next one, sales return book, date, party name. For sales return we use, one more is there, purchases, I forgot to write here, PB. Right, purchases, another one is there. On 18th, purchase goods from Rajesh. Okay, trade discount also there. January 18th, Rajesh, $50,000 less trade discount at 2%, that is 1,000 rupees minus outer column 49. So 93 plus 49, it is 1,42,000. 1,42,000. I am writing here also 1,42,000 for clarity purpose, right? Next, credit note number. Generally when we sell, debtors account will be debited. In case of sales return, his account will be credited. That is why credit note number we will write. Details, amount. 2015 January sales returns. 15th Ramana, 1500, Ramana on 15th. Credit note number we will issue, right, you can write 1,500. And sales return, another sales return is there on 30. On 30 Kishore returned goods. So January 30 Kishore, 1,000 rupees. total it is 2500. Next book will be purchase return book. Purchase returns book. Date 2015 year. Party name. Debit. Note. Number. Details. Amount. So first one, purchase returns. Purchase returns, we are having only one purchase return. Goods returned to Rekha 500. When it is returned? 25th January 25. Rekha. Debit note number they will give. We don't have details, so don't write. So 500 rupees and total also 500. Total. So this is how sales returns, purchase returns we need to write. And one journal proper or journal entry. Date, particulars, LF, debit in rupees, credit in rupees. First thing we need to write here, one transaction is there, purchase of furniture from Godrej and Company, journal proper में आता on 27th January 27th 2015. So furniture account debit to Godrej and Company account. सब लोग यहाँ तक करके छोड़ देते. ये वीडियो मे बी यूट्यूब रखे तो मिलती है, नहीं रखे तो नहीं मिलेगी. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इट विल बी अवेलेबल. ओके, बाद में भी. बीइंग goods purchased from Godrej and Company. Don't worry, after this I'll discuss about the BRS related points and we will wind up. As Mohammad Abdullah, सी मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला पासिंग मार्क्स 32 मार्क्स है पास होने के लिए FA-1. let me tell you, after this we are going to discuss key points relating to depreciation, and after that I'll end this marathon. Tomorrow we will be having again another session regarding BRS, depreciation as well as final accounts. Those we will complete tomorrow at 11:30. Okay, now let us write the key points relating to it. Before that कैश बुक एक है, एक कैश बुक प्रिपेयर करके जाएंगे बस. कैश बुक, see cash book extract you write because we don't know everything relating to cash book. Yes, tomorrow morning at 11:30 we will start, because I'll be having final year classes at present. So after the two classes of final years I'll be get available. So date, particulars, LF, amount, date, particulars, LF, amount. This is credit side, this is debit side. And till 11:30 in the morning, whatever we are discussing relating to first unit, second unit, you practice them. That will be more than enough for your revision purpose for the first unit and second unit. सी मिस्टर, पासिंग मार्क्स ऑलरेडी मैंने बता दिए, 32 मार्क्स आना है आउट ऑफ 80। आप लोग क्यों पास होने के लिए ही सोच रहे हैं, ज़्यादा भी आ सकता है, डोंट वरी, जस्ट यू नीड टू फोकस। नाउ लेट मी डू माई वर्क। Goods purchased from Manohar. Okay, I am writing extract of cash book. I am not tallying and totaling, because opening balance of cash we don't know, anything we don't know. We have whatever, we will post them in cash book. On 9th I am writing here, January 9th, by purchases, cash purchases from Manohar, so 23,000. And one more cash book entry is there, goods sold to Madhava for cash 18,000. So this is on 22nd, so Jan 22nd 2015 to sales 18,000. Don't total it, as we don't know entire cash transactions, we need to leave like this itself. These are the various subsidiary books we need to prepare for this answer. Okay, people leave it here after preparing cash, sales book, purchase book, sales return, purchase returns, but they will not do general proper and cash book. You need to do them also. And key points relating to depreciation, coming back to the key points relating to depreciation. Even a depreciation related playlist is available, you can use the playlist. I'm saying for each and every chapter there is a playlist. And you are having my revision classes of 7 revision videos I have made for first unit to 5th unit. Okay, in those live revision classes have explained each and every topic clearly, so you can use them also. Tomorrow morning at 11:30 we are going to start our marathon again. Okay, as we are getting late now, we will do depreciation, BRS, and final accounts tomorrow morning. Till the 11:30 you do your by yourself whatever remaining first unit and second unit theory part. Come back to the this depreciation key points. Depreciation, for depreciation first you need to understand which method, identify which method of depreciation. Is it straight line method or diminishing balance method? सी उन्हों घुमा फिरा के स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड को ओरिजिनल कास्ट मेथड बोलेगा, या हिस्टोरिकल कास्ट मेथड बोलेगा, फिक्स्ड इंस्टॉलमेंट मेथड बोलेगा, या इक्वल इंस्टॉलमेंट मेथड बोलेगा. ऑल दीज आर वन एंड द सेम. And diminishing balance method, he may say it as return down value method or reducing balance method. So don't get confused with these two. Next, point number 2. Point number 2 is identifying the method of depreciation. First thing. Next one is accounting period followed. Accounting period followed. Okay, is it calendar year or financial year? If it is calendar year, starts from 1st January to ends with the 31st March. Sorry, 31st December. Oh, मुझे भी क्या हो रहा. 1st January to 31st December it will be. If it is financial year, 1st April to 31st March it will be. Okay, this is what we need to do. Next thing, point number 3, very important. Depreciation formula to be used. How to calculate depreciation? If it is straight line method, if it is written down value method, WDV, or straight line, or diminishing balance method, you can say. So in case of SLM, if rate is not given, which rate, depreciation rate is not given, we will use this formula. Depreciation per annum equals to cost of purchase plus installation or erection charges. Sometimes they say erection charges minus scrap value or residual value, they will say, divided by estimated useful life of asset. This is what the formula relating to depreciation, right? Under straight line method, if rate is not given, this formula you will use. Okay, if rate is not given. If rate is given, if rate is given, depreciation per annum is equals to cost of asset into depreciation rate divided by 100. This formula you will use if rate is given. In case of written down value or diminishing balance method, okay, in first year always rate will be given. Rate is given. Okay, first year you will use depreciation per annum equals to cost of asset into depreciation rate by 100. This formula, whatever you are using for straight line method, same formula you will use here also. But second year onwards, from second year onwards you will use another formula. Depreciation per annum equals to written down value into depreciation rate by 100. This formula you will use from second year onwards. Whatever WDV will be there, on the basis of that you will do. Okay, this is the point number 3, very important one. And on the basis of number of months it is used, number of months used divided by 12. If you do, you will get the answer for depreciation proportionately. For that point I am writing here. Point number 4, if any new asset purchased in between the year, okay, any new asset purchased in between a year, what you need to do? We need to calculate calculate depreciation from the date of purchase to the end of accounting period. Example, suppose you are following calendar year. Okay, you are following what? Calendar year, and purchased machinery on 1st September. So how many months depreciation we need to take? Depreciation for how many months? September, October, November, December. 4 months we need to take. 4 months. Same if it is calendar year. Purchased machine on 30th September. Don't consider September month. From October you count. October, November, December. So depreciation for 3 months only we need to take. Okay. Next, financial year. In case of financial year, okay, suppose example, purchase machinery on same 1st September I am writing. September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 7 months. Depreciation for 7 months. From the date of purchase, okay, date of purchase to end of accounting period. Date of purchase to end of accounting period you need to calculate. So purchase of depreciation for 7 months. If it is purchased machinery, here also machinery it is, on 30th September. Don't count September month. October to we need to take depreciation for 6 months. Okay, 6 months we need to calculate depreciation. Next, coming to the point, sale. Very important one. If any asset or part of the asset sold during a year. Okay, point number 1, we need to calculate depreciation from the beginning of accounting period to the date of sale. So we need to calculate depreciation from the beginning of the accounting period. Accounting period कब से start हो रहा, वो डेट से at the end of accounting period, సారీ సేల్ డేట్ తక్. ఓకే, నాట్ ఎండ్, సేల్ డేట్ తక్ करना है. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? సేల్ డేట్ వరకు డిప్రిసియేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడి నుంచి? బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ పీరియడ్ నుంచి. ఓకే, వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్, if part of the asset has been sold, we need to calculate full depreciation for remaining part. Suppose 1/3 of machine sold. Okay, on 1st January, say 1st January, and you are following financial year. Financial year is followed 1st January. So till 1st January we need to calculate depreciation for January, February, March. 3 महीने छोड़ के 9 months we need to calculate for 1/3. But remaining will be there na 2/3, right? Remaining balance, remaining machine full year we need to calculate 12 months depreciation for remaining 2/3. This is the key thing. Hope you are understanding each and everything properly. And for remaining 3 topics, one is depreciation, BRS and final accounts. These 3 we will do tomorrow. At 11:30 AM. Till then, unit 1, unit 2, you prepare thoroughly. You do the problems relating to whatever I have gave. Okay, triple column cash book, petty cash book. See, for each and everything I have explained, separate videos are there. Live revision videos playlist is there. All you can find it in the description of this video. And for notes you can get it from Telegram channel. For depreciation, separate playlist is there, you can cover it from there. BRS, we made live revision videos, separate BRS playlist is there. Final accounts also separate playlist is there. Okay, you can do it from there, but don't worry, we will do a revision at 11:30 AM tomorrow. Till then, you complete from your side unit 1 and unit 2. Okay, thank you for your patience listening. डिटेल में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं अपन, ताकि आपको सब समझ में आ जाए. wherever it is necessary I am going deep. Wherever you know, I am leaving those areas so that you can do it by yourself. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow for remaining part. थैंक यू. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. जय हिंद.